Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video we are going to do a butterfly diaper cake with a customized baby bottle for the body of the butterfly. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. With that being said, I don't want to necessarily call it a diaper cake because it doesn't look like a cake, right? So I'm gonna just say a baby gift made with diapers. So we're gonna do a butterfly. This is gonna be the body, right? So I am going to prep this by simply taping off the neck of the bottle and scuffing it up with a Scotch pad. And I'm gonna tape it off with black electrical tape. And here's our Scotch pad, all right? Now, I want to talk to y'all for real quick. My camera skills. Okay. If you look at the measurements on the back of the bottle, if you see my previous videos, if not, go ahead and check them out on how to make your baby bottles. I usually tape off the back. In this case, I will not, because unfortunately, the measurements are engraved. I like it when it's printed. That way I can reserve it and make my bottles, and then that's the way the parents can use the bottles and do the measurements. But with this one, I will not be able to. So I'm going to add some primer to the whole entire bottle, okay? Because if I try to tape this off and then put my epoxy on, the epoxy is just going to cover it right up, and you're not going to see the numbers, okay? So I'm gonna throw that out at you so you know. So we're gonna go ahead and cover up the whole entire bottle. Okay, you guys, we're gonna get started making our butterfly diaper cake. All right, now we're gonna start with the body of the butterfly, which is gonna be our baby bottle. We are rocking with our custom-made baby bottle with the blinged out lid. If you would like to learn how to bling out your lid, please check out my video, because I got a video on how to bling out your lid. All right, and several videos to showing you how to customize your baby bottle. All right, now let's get started with the bottom portion of our wing. We're gonna rock with a total of 5 diapers. All right, let me push these out the way so we can have room to work. I'm gonna start with 1 diaper and I'm gonna roll it. Easy peasy. Just like that. I'm gonna put a rubber band. I'm gonna rock with my clear rubber bands. You can use your clear rubber bands, your black rubber bands, it don't matter. It's just the first ones I saw, so I grabbed them just like that. And I'm simply going to take my diaper and wrap it around. Just like this. Do the same thing. Wrap it around. Just like that. And I'm kind of forming a C. So let's do it like here. Wrap it around. See? Take this one. Lay it down and wrap it around. Falling apart on me. So that's what we're rocking with. So I'm going to tuck that in. So this is going to be our bottom ring. Now I'm going to take a bigger rubber band and place it around that. Now I will recommend a smaller, thinner rubber band, but I don't have any right now. Well, I do, I don't feel like getting them. So we're going to rock with these. Okay? So that's going to be our bottom wing. Let's see. Yep, that looks good to me. I'm gonna do the same thing with our other 5 diapers. Roll the first one. And then you're gonna put your rubber band. Just like that. And roll the diaper. Just like that. that. Now we're going to add a rubber band. Just like that. Okay? Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the top portion, but we're going to use more diapers. Okay? We're going to use 7 diapers for the top portion. Okay? And then 7 diapers for the other side for our top portion. Okay? So I'm going to roll these and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we got all of our diapers rolled. We got our 2 portions for the bottom, our 2 portions for the top. I'm going to push the top ones out of the way. And we're going to work on the bottom portion. I'm simply going to take my white ribbon. Okay, it doesn't say. I was trying to look and see how thick this ribbon was, but it looks like it's about 2 inches. And I'm going to take it and wrap these 2 up with this white ribbon right here. So let's see. I'm gonna go in like that. Let's see. I wrap them like this. And do the same with this. Okay, so I'm going to cut it like that. Scissors. Just like that. And I am actually going to take this, just like that, and take this one just like that and roll them into one another, just like that. And I'm going to add a little bit of glue to glue them together right between there. So I'm gonna unroll it, add a little bit of glue right there, and roll them. Just like that. I'll hold them in place for a minute. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to the top portion. Okay, you guys, I am finished putting on the white ribbon for our top portion and our bottom portion and gluing it and all that good stuff. Now, my top portion is a little loose. That's okay. I'm going to rock with it because I am going to add additional ribbon to it. Okay, this is ribbon that I had from a previous project that I'm going to reuse. I like the butterfly theme and, of course, the teal color bling on it. So we're going to rock with that. Now, I am going to simply just wrap this around both sections and glue it, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, we got both portions finished with our ribbon. That's the bottom portion, and this is the top portion. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is simply take the bigger portion and put it on top of our smaller portion, just like that. So it'll look like a butterfly. I want to straighten it up some, just like so. Boom. Now I'm going to take this thin ribbon, as you can see, rocking with the teal color that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm simply just going to cut a long piece. Just like this. I don't know how long it is. I just fold it in half and cut a long piece, and you will see why. Alright. Now I'm going to take this and stick it at the bottom. Just like that, between the 2 layers. Take this part and stick this. See my hand? How the opening, right here? Take that, stick it in there like that, and I am just going to pull it. Pull it as tight as I can get it. Boom. Just like that. I think that's good enough. Let me see if I can get it even tighter. And then I'm gonna separate the two, just like that. And now I'm going to bring my baby bottle, all nice and blinged out. This is my front. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see. Stick it right, boom, just like that in the front. Okay. And I am simply going to wrap the string around the baby bottle, just like that, and tie it if it's long enough. I think I cut it too short. And wrap it in the back. And I'm just gonna tie a knot. Just like that. Now, if it was long enough, I would have made a bow, but I didn't cut it long enough. But we're gonna rock with it. We're gonna work it out. Just like that. I'm gonna stick that in there for right now. Turn it back to the front so we can see what we're rocking with. Oh, that's still too loose. Let's see. Okay. Well, we're gonna make do. Okay. There we go. Do this a little bit tighter. Hopefully that's good enough. Or not, yep, that's good enough. So I'm just gonna adjust it. We'll look halfway decent. There we go, push that up. And I actually have another piece. You see that? Of this that I had left over. And I am actually going to wrap it around like so. And glue it in the back, all right? So I'll be back when I do that. Okay, now we're gonna add our goodies onto it. I'm gonna use these that I picked up from Walmart. It was on clearance for, I think it was like 25 cents or something like that. All right, and then I have these and I have these, both from Dollar Tree. Okay, you guys, I am finished with the butterfly diaper cake. Let's start at the top with the antennas. I simply took two of the little things and these and simply tied them together, like, you know, twisted them together and wrapped it around the neck of the baby bottle. And you can see I added one of the sticker butterflies. Now it's not really secure on there. Now you can add a little bit of hot glue to the little fuzzy thing and stick it on there. That's why I put it right there to kind of camouflage the little fuzzy thing up underneath. Okay, then I simply add some of the flower jewels to the ribbon. All right, and then I took toothpicks. I cut the toothpicks and add some more flower jewels to the toothpicks and just stuck them in the diapers, just as you see right there. And there you have it. Boom. Super cute, super adorable. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.